AmioVantage Online Training. What is AmioVantage and how does it enhance business operations? AmioVantage is an augmented data platform developed by Amiosoft, designed to automate complex data quality solutions. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools to ensure data integrity, accuracy, and reliability across various business operations. Miosoft.com. Key features of AmioVantage. Data profiling automatically analyzes data to provide insights into its structure, patterns, and quality, enabling businesses to understand their data in detail. Rule management allows the creation of extensive rules to govern data quality, measuring standard dimensions like validity, completeness, consistency, and accuracy. Data improvement offers automated capabilities to correct data errors and enrich data for greater meaning, ensuring traceable and consistent decision-making. Entity resolution builds a clearer picture of data by resolving duplicates and establishing relationships between entities, enhancing analytics and decision-making. Reporting and logging provides built-in interfaces for reporting and dashboarding, along with extensive logging to create transparent and traceable audit trails. Enhancing business operations. By implementing AmioVantage, businesses can ensure data integrity, maintain high-quality data across all systems, leading to more reliable analytics and reporting. Improve decision-making, access accurate and consistent data, facilitating better strategic decisions. Increase efficiency, automate data quality processes, reducing manual effort and minimizing errors. Enhance customer satisfaction, ensure accurate customer data, leading to improved interactions and services. For instance, Deutsche Telekom utilized AmioVantage to monitor and control their data quality, resulting in the identification of $50 million per year in lost revenue due to underbilling. This implementation not only recovered significant revenue but also increased customer satisfaction by detecting errors before they impacted customers. Miosoft.com. How to set up and configure AmioVantage for optimal performance. To set up and configure AmioVantage for optimal performance, follow these steps. Installation. Begin by installing AmioVantage on your system. Ensure that your hardware and software meet the necessary requirements for a smooth installation. Initial configuration. After installation, configure AmioVantage to align with your organization's data quality objectives. This involves setting up data sources, defining data quality rules, and establishing workflows tailored to your needs. Leverage automated predictive profiling. Utilize AmioVantage's automated predictive profiling feature to gain insights into your data. This tool provides predicted data types, suggested rules, predicted data scores with confidence levels, statistical overviews. These insights help in rapidly prioritizing tasks and understanding the current state of your data. Miosoft.com. Customize interfaces for users. AmioVantage offers tailored interfaces for both business users and IT professionals. Data Quality Explorer, designed for business users, this interface can be customized to fit specific workflow requirements, ensuring relevance and ease of use. Data Quality Engineer interfaces, These provide IT professionals with comprehensive tools to manage and automate platform operations, reducing overhead and simplifying management. Myosoft.com implements the Trailblazer approach. Adopt MyoVantage's Trailblazer approach to achieve faster returns on investment (ROI). This methodology emphasizes faster ROI, tackle projects with focused timelines and specific goals to realize ROI more quickly. Accelerated turnaround, engage in tightly scoped projects with defined goals, allowing for quicker results and building momentum for subsequent initiatives. Relevant results, address pressing issues first by tailoring solutions to tackle the most important problems, maximizing the initial impact of data quality efforts. Long-term success, use insights from past projects to inform future ones, setting the stage for sustained success. Myosoft.com. What are the key features and functionalities of MyoVantage? MyoVantage is an augmented data platform designed to automate complex data quality solutions, ensuring organizations can trust and effectively utilize their data assets. Myosoft.com. Key features and functionalities. Automated data quality processes. MyoVantage automates data quality tasks, allowing organizations to approach data challenges with confidence and efficiency. Myosoft.com. Comprehensive data profiling. The platform offers automatic predictive profiling, providing insights such as predicted data types, suggested rules, data scores with confidence levels, and statistical overviews. Myosoft.com. Entity resolution. MyoVantage automates intelligent, sophisticated, and business-driven entity resolution, discovering relationships between entities within or across systems for better analytics and results. Myosoft.com. Data integration and migration support. The platform ensures top-notch integration with meaningful decision-making about data connections, conflict resolution, and error correction. It also eliminates uncertainty and ensures integrity during data migration processes. Myosoft.com. Machine learning capabilities. MyoVantage harnesses the speed, power, and consistency of modern machine learning to improve data quality. Myosoft.com. Performance optimization. Whether processing scheduled batch files or requiring real-time results on high-velocity data, MyoVantage delivers the performance needed to achieve organizational goals. Myosoft.com. How to integrate MyoVantage with other enterprise systems? Integrating MyoVantage with other enterprise systems can significantly enhance data quality, streamline operations, and provide a unified view of your organization's data. Here's how you can approach this integration. 1. Understand your integration needs. Identify target systems. Determine which enterprise systems, example CRM, ERP, data warehouse, need to be integrated with MyoVantage. Define objectives. Clarify the goals of integration, such as improving data quality, enabling real-time data synchronization, or consolidating data for analytics. 2. Leverage MyoVantage's integration capabilities. Data adapters. MyoVantage utilizes adapters to ingest data from various sources. These adapters transform incoming data to align with MyoVantage's context models, ensuring seamless integration without altering original source files. Miosoft.com. Context models. Develop context models within AmioVantage to represent real-world relationships between entities in your data. This modeling facilitates accurate data synthesis and relationship reconstruction across systems. Miosoft.com. 3. Plan for scalability and performance. Handle large data volumes. AmioVantage is designed to process massive datasets efficiently, scaling linearly on commodity hardware. Ensure your infrastructure can support the anticipated data load. Miosoft.com. Real-time processing. If real-time data integration is required, configure AmioVantage to process data in flight, allowing for immediate data quality assessments and integration. Miosoft.com. 4. Collaborate with experts. Consult Miosoft services. Engage with Miosoft's consulting services for tailored solutions and support during the integration process. Their expertise can help address complex data challenges and ensure a smooth implementation. Miosoft.com. 5. Monitor and maintain integration. Continuous data quality monitoring. Implement ongoing monitoring within AmioVantage to detect and rectify data quality issues promptly, maintaining the integrity of integrated data. Miosoft.com. What are the best practices for data management in AmioVantage? Effective data management in AmioVantage involves several best practices to ensure data quality, integrity, and usability. Here are key recommendations. Automated data profiling. Utilize AmioVantage's automatic predictive profiling to gain an initial understanding of your data. This feature predicts data types, suggests rules, provides data scores with confidence levels, and offers statistical overviews, enabling rapid prioritization of data management tasks. Miosoft.com. Define clear data quality rules. Establish comprehensive data quality rules that cover standard dimensions such as validity, completeness, consistency, accuracy, and timeliness. AmioVantage's expansive suite of rule-building facilities allows for governance at multiple levels, ensuring nuanced, meaning-driven results. SourceForge.net. Leverage automated data improvement. Implement AmioVantage's automated capabilities to enrich data and correct quality errors. These features handle the bulk of the work with traceable and consistent decision-making, while issue and workflow management support human-driven improvement activities when necessary. SourceForge.net. Implement entity resolution. Build a clearer picture of your data by using AmioVantage's entity resolution capabilities. This includes complex deduplication and householding, which help in understanding relationships within your data and eliminating redundancies. SourceForge.net. Adopt the Trailblazer approach. Tackle projects with focused timelines and specific goals to realize ROI faster. AmioVantage's Trailblazer approach emphasizes tightly scoped projects with defined objectives, allowing for accelerated turnaround and relevant results. Miosoft.com. Monitor data quality continuously. Set up automated monitoring to keep track of your data's quality in real time. AmioVantage can send data to any dashboarding, alerting, or notification system you use, providing information about your data quality when you need it. Miosoft.com. Ensure comprehensive logging and reporting. Maintain transparency and traceability by utilizing MyoVantage's extensive logging and audit trails. Custom-built reports or integration with existing tools can provide the results you need for informed decision-making. Myosoft.com. How to automate workflows using MyoVantage. Automating workflows in MyoVantage involves leveraging its automation capabilities to streamline business processes. Here's a structured approach to achieve this. 1. Understand your workflow requirements. Identify repetitive tasks and manual processes that need automation. Define workflow objectives, example, data transformation, integration, approval chains. Map out the workflow, including triggers, actions, and approvals. 2. Utilize MyoVantage's workflow automation features. MyoVantage provides workflow automation capabilities through rule-based triggers. Define event-based triggers to automate tasks. Data orchestration. Connect multiple data sources and automate data transformations. Integration with third-party systems. Use APIs and connectors to integrate external platforms. 3. Configure automated workflows in MyoVantage. Create a workflow template. Start with pre-built templates or design custom workflows. Define business rules. Set conditions and rules for automation. Example, if X happens, then do Y. Use drag and drop tools. If available, use a graphical interface to design workflows without coding. Schedule jobs and events. Automate execution at specific intervals or based on event triggers. 4. Implement API-driven automation, if required. Use MyoVantage APIs to trigger workflows programmatically. Integrate with external applications, example, CRM, ERP, or other business systems. Enable webhooks for real-time workflow execution. 5. Monitor, optimize, and improve workflows. Set up alerts and notifications. Get updates on workflow execution. Use analytics and reports. Track performance metrics for automated tasks. Optimize bottlenecks. Adjust configurations based on performance data. 6. Ensure compliance and security. Implement role-based access control. RBAC define user permissions. Audit workflow logs. Maintain records of automated tasks. Encrypt sensitive data. Ensure secure data transmission and storage. 7. Test and deploy. Run test cases to validate workflow automation. Deploy in a phased manner, monitoring for unexpected issues. Iterate based on feedback and improve automation logic. What security measures does MyoVantage offer for data protection? MyoVantage implements a comprehensive information security management system, ISMS, to safeguard data, focusing on the following key measures. Confidentiality. Ensuring that information is accessible only to authorized personnel at designated times and through specified methods. Integrity. Maintaining the completeness, accuracy, and validity of information, ensuring it remains unaltered and originates from reliable sources. Availability. Guaranteeing that authorized individuals have timely and reliable access to information, ensuring its persistence against any eventuality. In addition to these principles, Emiovantage has adopted technical measures to prevent data loss, misuse, alteration, unauthorized access, or theft. These measures include restoring availability and access to personal data promptly in the event of a physical or technical incident, regularly evaluating the effectiveness of technical and organizational measures, and pseudonymizing and encrypting personal data when necessary. Myogroup.com. Furthermore, Myovantage's information security policy emphasizes compliance with applicable laws, regulations, and standards, effective assignment of roles and responsibilities, prevention of potential defects and information security incidents, efficient management and control of production processes, and continuous improvement of the information security management system. Mio.1. Why choose ProExcellency for Emiovantage online training? ProExcellency is a reputable provider of online professional training, offering a range of courses designed to enhance skills and knowledge in various domains. While specific information about Emiovantage online training is not directly available, here are several reasons why ProExcellency could be a suitable choice for such training. 1. Comprehensive course offerings. ProExcellency provides a wide array of training programs, including SAP Ariba, SAP Trademark S4HANA EWM, Viva CRM, Kinaxis Rapid Response, Blue Yonder WMS, Salesforce, Manhattan WMS, and InfoBurst. This diverse portfolio indicates their capability to deliver specialized training across various platforms. ProExcellency.com. 2. Positive client testimonials. Clients have expressed satisfaction with ProExcellency's services, highlighting their dedication, quality of work, and continuous development. One client noted, "The quality of work and their concern for continuous development has paved the way for having them as our technology partner." ProExcellency.com. 3. Experienced instructors. ProExcellency's training programs are led by industry professionals with years of experience. They provide real-world insights and examples, helping learners understand how to apply concepts to practical scenarios. Bookmark.umobs.com. 4. Flexible online learning. Understanding the challenges that working professionals face, ProExcellency offers online courses that allow learners to study at their own pace and schedule. This flexibility enables individuals to balance their education with other commitments. Bookmark.umobs.com. 5. Positive employee reviews. ProExcellency has received favorable reviews from its employees, with an overall rating of 4.1 out of 5 on Glassdoor. Employees have praised the company for its positive work environment, timely salary payments, and employee recognition. Glassdoor.co.in. While specific details about Emiovantage training are not provided, ProExcellency's extensive experience in delivering specialized training programs, positive client feedback, and flexible learning options make it a compelling choice for individuals seeking to enhance their skills in various professional domains. Thank you.